Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I've always had a garden, growing a garden. For me it's very important. In the spring, the little thing comes out, it's very exciting. I built this one here probably 20 years ago or so that it was pretty high, so I didn't have to bend down too much. And what do you think? And so the garden, well, now at the end of August, I like it, especially in the spring when those salads comes out. But I have a lot of stuff in the garden, especially herbs, from oregano to thyme and what I have maybe more than anything else, you can see all the way here, growing out of the rock over there. This is arugula. And maybe 15 years ago or so, I was in the south of France and I bought a package of arugula, La Roquette des Jardins in France. And I planted and it's wild. It comes back every year I put out half of it. It goes into seed here, I give some to France, and it's still coming and coming. We have it from the end of April until like October. We are here, and we look at those. Those are parsnips, a type of carrot, too strong. It's very flavorful too. Braised or around a roast, that's very good. A lot of basil. I will blanch that basil in boiling water and a dash of salt, a dash of oil with it, and make a puree and do a little package. I put that in the freezer. During the winter I can use that for free. The cucumber here, we had a lot. I do cucumber soup or anything like this, So it grows like crazy too. I have yellow zucchini, and you can see here and all that. The more we eat, the more it comes out. I mean, that's crazy. The zucchini flowers, and you can see that zucchini flowers with a thin stem like this in a male. So the male will not create any zucchini, so you take it out and we fry it, fry zucchini flowers. If you see that underneath there is a bulge, it's going to create a zucchini, so you don't pick it up, only the male one. Favorite from me when I was a kid, certainly the Swiss chard. Swiss chard, we make gratin or Swiss chard or stuff like this too. A lot of chives in many of my recipes, family of onion and all that, and chives I have it in 3 or 4 places in the garden. And I cut, when it comes out with the flowers, I cut it down. It grows again with the flowers, I cut it down. You do that a couple of times and after the flowers don't come anymore. That's it. This time we have some of the tomato coming out here. See, another week or so. I pick some up every day when they are ready. I think it's time to make green fried tomato. I have sorrel here. And sorrel is a sour, kind of sourgrass sorrel, and we do that especially with salmon, that classic thing. Very high in oxalic acid and all that. We saute. I have parsley there, and of course a big bunch of sage. Bring them into the house. Claudine tells me, bring them into the house just for the smell of it when we have guests. We have thyme, 2 or 3 types of thyme. We have rosemary, of course. And then we have flowers on this side. This is about my garden for the summer. Already exciting to be able to pick up stuff and cook with it right away.